Oh, is it? You saucy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lauren Ashley, and today we will be getting into this cranberry orange look today. And if you are interested in seeing how I got this, keep on watching. But before I move on, please make sure you follow all of my social media platforms. They will be popping up at the bottom of the screen throughout the video, most likely matching the look that I did for today. Also, make sure you turn on your post bell notifications so you can be notified every time I post the video. We are a growing family. We're gonna get there. We are a growing family on TikTok. We're growing, baby. We're growing. We're growing. And that's all we're gonna do. But if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching and let's get into the video. All right, you guys, jumping right into it. I am going in with my Avani Greg X Morphe palette, and I am gonna use the shade You Mad, and I'm gonna put it directly in my crease, kind of. Just watch me. You guys, next step, we are gonna go in with our Morphe Such a Gem palette, and we're gonna go into this shade right here, this burgundy shade. You know, I can't do anything fall related without doing burgundy because it's my favorite color. And we're gonna put that right in the crease as well. I don't know if I want to use the same brush. So much time. Okay. All right, so after making that orange color visible again, I went back in to that cranberry like color and made it evident within the crease before I cut my crease. I just wanted to get on here and say that before we move on to the next step. So yeah, on to the next step. All right, you guys, moving on to the next step. We are going to cut our crease. And today I'm using for concealer the MAC Studio Fix Concealer in the shade NC42. And we're just gonna start. We're going for that really big round cut crease today. I'm gonna see how it goes. All right, you guys, after successfully cutting our crease, I'm gonna move on to our lid shade. Today I'm using the Morphe Sweet Oasis palette, aka the 35S, and we're gonna go into the shade Rooftop, because that's what we are. We rooftopers. That's where we belong, baby. I'm gonna put it directly on our lid. It has glitter in it. I don't know if it'll show like through the eyeshadow or whatever, but it definitely does have glitters, sparkles in it. All right, you guys, after our lid shade, we're gonna go back into that Ebony Gray palette in the same shade You Mad, and we're gonna put it right beside our lid shade. Oops, wrong side. All right, you guys, to be a little bit more spicy, we're gonna go back into the Ebony Gray palette, and we're gonna go into this glittery shade called Diet, and we're just gonna cap it just randomly. Not randomly, but like in between. guys, I wanted to come back before I put my lashes on so I can do highlighter and so I can show y'all how I put color on up under my waterline. So for highlighter today, I'm going back into this Morphe Pseudo Oasis palette, and I am using Champagne on Ice for my highlighter shade today. Perfect. All right, for my waterline, I'm gonna go back into that Morphe Such a Gem palette and go back into this burgundy shade, and I'm gonna put that right up under my waterline. Okay, and I might add some orange, maybe. I'm gonna go in with that same Why You Mad shade and put that only on the outer corner. Okay, for the lips today, I am using none other than the NYX eye pencil in the shade dark brown. Mine is getting short, as you can tell, because I use it all the time. It's my go-to lip. And the NYX lip lingerie in the shade Shy. And also some clear lip gloss, but you don't have to use that step if you don't want to. I just like my lips extra shiny. Glossy gloss. All right, you guys, that is the end of this video. This is how the look came out. Thank you so much for watching. If you were following, I hope it was easy to follow. Please make sure you follow all of my social media platforms. They have popped up throughout the video on the bottom of the screen, most likely matched whatever look I did. Make sure you also turn on your post bell notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.